I have a Zoom meeting in like 30 minutes and I just wanted to do like a really quick, like this is what I do basically when I don't want to look like I just woke up. Aquaphor with SPF. It's the lip protectant with sunscreen. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is a little bit of color correcting under my eyes. This is my Sicily concealer number 1. And I just use a really tiny amount. And since I started using this, I do have to say, like, it is ridiculously expensive. This little container is $112, but you literally do need the tiniest amount and it doesn't crease. So, you know, I still think the price is like unbelievable, but rich ladies who like don't really need that much coverage, you know, for any redness in this area, like I mean, it's hard to see because I'm like pretty white. I don't have like a ton of redness. I'm just gonna do like a little bit of color correction, I guess, like around this area with my Tarte Amazonian clay, whatever, in ivory. Everything will be linked below. I'm just gonna take a little bit. It's basically is it a BB cream? BB tinted moisturizer, and it has SPF as well. So just with my fingers, I'm gonna work this into like this area of my face, just to even that out a little bit. Usually the center, and then I just kind of like pat it. And then for underneath my eyes, just like a tiny bit of concealing, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade, I think it's ivory as well. Yep. And I'm just gonna do like a tiny bit of brightening around my eyes, and then like a tiny bit right there. And I'm just patting this out with my fingers. Probably not going to use any powder just because I don't really need this to last. It's just for Zoom. I think it looks nice. I mean, like if you're going to be wearing it all day, obviously like maybe set with like a little bit of a translucent powder under your eyes, but I think it looks really nice and it wears pretty well. If you're going for really natural and you don't mind just kind of like patting under your eyes throughout the day to get rid of any creases. I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani contour. This is the A contour in 21, I think. And I'm literally just, it's like a little doe foot thing. And I just want to like, I just like adding a little definition because I don't know. It's like so not necessary. I could just go in with like a bronzer or something, but I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup. I want to do a little. So I'll do a little on my nose. And then I kind of have a hard time not just doing like a little bit around my lips, you know? And then literally the same day, I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingers. This is so nice. It's super sheer. Just so you guys know. And I'm doing this because I like to accentuate that kind of shape, more of a heart shape. See, it just kind of like disappears into your skin. It's like so sheer. It just adds like a tint. Blending where I put it and then just kind of like taking whatever's left over and like blending it up. Doing the same thing with my temples. Just patting. And then for blush, I'm gonna use my Milani Cheek Kiss 110 Sun Kiss Glow. This shade. So I'm just rubbing my finger in it like that, and then I'm gonna do this. Sorry about the construction. Someday they'll finish those condos and everything will be great. And then I'm just going to start it up here. And a lot of people are like, who wears blush without like wearing hardly any other makeup? But obviously you can see how fair I am. I have like no color in my skin and it's pretty clear. So I really, especially since I dyed my hair, I really love going in with the blush, especially when it's like, you know what I mean? Like, look at how cute and flushed that looks. So I started up high on my cheekbones and then just slowly start blending out. I blend it up here, take it up to my temples a little bit, up underneath my eyes, and then whatever's left over, just kind of like bring it in. So I'm literally just like everywhere, whatever's left over here. All right, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use the Hourglass Arch Soft Brunette Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, blah, blah, blah. Did I say soft brown? Yeah. And then this is a really good brow gel. It holds really nicely. So I just kind of like brush through, and it has like a longer side, and then you turn it, it has like a more concentrated side. I kind of go in with the more concentrated side first, and then go in and brush with the longer side. I'm just adding, like I just want like a little bit of a lift and like a little bit of a fill, you know? This brow is kind of a struggle. Oh, it's kind of a struggle. You know, like it's hard to, it doesn't, it's just not as fluffy as the other one. Skin's looking pretty glowy. I don't even know if I need a highlighter, but I might do it. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Velour Lash curler. And again, if I was gonna be like wearing this like all day long, which in reality I am, but nobody's gonna see me, then I would probably set underneath my eyes so that my like mascara doesn't transfer and my concealer stays. And then I'm gonna go in with my Dior Show mascara. This is the brown one. This is waterproof, by the way. Dior Show waterproof in brown. This is a great mascara because it really does just like coat your lashes nicely and make them look like nice and natural. And then just adding the fact that it's brown, it's perfect for every day. It's also a lot softer on your lashes than other waterproof mascaras. Sorry to everybody who hates when I curl my lashes. I know it can be kind of gross looking. Okay, I'm gonna do a little on my lower lashes. Okay, since I have time, I'm gonna do a little light filling of the really sparse areas of my brows. This is Ash Brown NYX. Not totally even. And then for my lips, I'm just gonna go in with a Nude Beige lip liner. I'm gonna kind of do like a general outline and fill. I already have lip balm on, so it's not gonna be like perfectly defined, but basically just like a little color. That's it. That's all I would do. Very simple, clean. Oh wait, actually, well, okay, so I'm looking pretty dewy, but if I like want to just kind of amp up highlight a little bit, then I always use my Auric Morganite, which I know is it discontinued? I know she's coming out with like new color or a new version of Morganite, literally just like the tiniest amount. And then I would just hit the tops of my cheekbones. And then take whatever's left on my finger, just under my brow. So literally just like right here. And depending on how much time I have, I would do like maybe a little bit of that in my inner corner or whatever. My hair's so flat. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was kind of like quick and random and whatever, and hopefully I have like very minimal, if I have any edits in this video, it'll be very minimal edits. This is what I would do for just quick getting ready. Don't want to look like I'm totally dead, you know, glowy, whatever. I need to fix my hair, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna go do this meeting now. So when my hair's flat, I just look like a little boy. Don't know what to do with it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Also, let me know if you want to see more like chill, natural light videos like this.